In this video, we will solve two exponential equations step by step using clear algebraic moves. First, we solve 4 to the power x minus 2 equals 40. Then, we solve 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals 16. Problem A. 4 to the power x minus 2 equals 40. Step 1. Since the variable is in the exponent, take the natural log of both sides. Step 2. Use the power rule of logarithms. The exponent multiplies in front. Step 3. Solve for x minus 2 by dividing both sides by natural log of 4. Step 4. Isolate x by adding 2 to both sides. Step 5. Optional decimal approximation. Compute the natural log values and the quotient. Step 6. Final answers in exact and approximate form. Problem B. 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equals 16. Step 1. Combine like terms on the left. 2 copies of 4 to the x makes 2 times 4 to the x. Step 2. Isolate 4 to the x by dividing both sides by 2. Step 3. Rewrite both sides with the same base. 4 equals 2 squared, and 8 equals 2 cubed. Substitute. Step 4. Thanks for watching Myverse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.